You're going to realize it one day. Happiness was never about following in the footsteps of all of those who came before you. You know what your problem is? You're smart. Too smart. You overthink because your mind moves at 1,000,000 miles a minute. You're sad because you're not fooled by the world like everyone else. You don't get along with most people because they just don't look at things the way you do. You think you're dumb because you're smart enough to know you don't know everything. Your problem is you're too smart. And happiness in intelligent people is one of the rarest things I know. One day you're going to see it, that happiness was always about the discovery. That happiness was never about your job or your degree or being in a relationship. It was never about being like the others. The hope, the listening to your heart, and following it wherever it chose to go. Happiness was always about being kinder to yourself. It was always about embracing the person you were becoming. One day you will understand that happiness was always about learning how to live with yourself. That your happiness was never in the hands of others. One day you'll realize that true happiness comes from within. And no external factors can define it. It was always about you. It was always about you.